Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we will be working on this word problem. This word problem is, what it states is, from a square with sides of length 5, triangular pieces from 4 corners are removed to form a regular octagon. Find the area removed to the nearest integer. So let's get started with our solution. This is the data that has been given to us. A square that has each side is length 5 units. We are going to remove these 4 corners of this square to form a regular octagon. That means 8-sided shape with equal sides. And now we are going to do the very first thing is, here is our square shape, and we know that each side is 5 units. So far so good. And here is our square that has 4 triangular pieces on the corners over here as cut in order to get us equal sides of regular octagon. As you can see that these sides are equal, so be careful with these sides are equal. So the very first thing what we're going to do is we are going to call this side of these triangular corners, I'm going to call this side X and this side X. This side is going to be X as well, X over here, X, X, and likewise X and X this side. And we also know that this whole length of each square, this square is, each side is 5, isn't it? And we also know that this side X and this side X, if you add them, that's going to become 2x and 2x. And if we are going to find the value of this side, the length of this value is going to be simply 5 minus 2x. So the length of this part is 5 minus 2x. And in the next step, we are going to look at this triangular corner over here. We know the side of this triangular corner, the one that I'm going to shade, this one over here. This side is X and this side is X, and we want to find this leg, this side. So we will be using a Pythagorean theorem. And here's the Pythagorean theorem, which states that a squared plus b squared equal to c squared. So for this right triangle, so in this right triangle, I'm going to call this side A, this side B, and this side C. So we're going to find the value of C. And this is the formula over here, a square plus b square equal to c square. That is the Pythagorean theorem. So in our case, a is x, which becomes square, plus b is x, that becomes square, equal to c square. So this on the left hand side is going to give us 2x square equal to c square. Since we want to find the c value, I'm going to take the square root on both sides to remove this square of c. So that is simply going to give us this square and square root onto each other. So c turns out to be square root of 2. And then this thing over here, you have to watch out. So we can simply write square root of 2 times square root of x square, isn't it? We can split it up. So c turns out to be square root of 2 outside times x. That is our c. And over here, that means this part simply becomes, this part is simply square root of 2 times x, this part. So thus I have nicely put down the length of this side of this triangular part as square root of 2 times x. So, and this one we already know that is 5 minus 2x. And since this is a regular octagon, that means all the sides of this regular octagon are equal. That means this side equal to this one, so I can set them equal to, so I can say square root of 2 times x equal to 5 minus 2x. So I am going to move this 2x on the left hand side, so this is going to become square root of 2 times x plus 2x equal to 5. And here I can factor out x over here. I can put down as x times square root of 2 plus 2 equals to 5. I can divide both sides because I want to isolate x, so I can divide both sides by square root of 2 plus 2, and here I'm gonna put down square root of 2 plus 2. So this thing, they cancel out with this one, so we simply got x equals to 5 divided by, I can write square root of 2 plus 2. This is our x value. So thus I have put my x value right up here. So I will use it later on. Now our next step is we are going to find the value of the area. We're going to find the area. We're going to calculate area of each these corners. As you can see that these corners are congruent. They are identical. So I can just focus on one of them and we can find the area. And here is the area of a triangle formula. If you have a right triangle, the area is always equal to a half time base time height. If we see over here in our case, our base is x and our height is x as well. So our area is going to be simply area equals to a half time base is, we're going to be using this formula, base is x and height is x as well. So area is going to be equal to x square divided by 2. Just keep in your mind of each corner. So thus, in other words, the area removed from each corner equals to x square over 2. And here's the area removed from each corner is x squared divided by 2. But we know the numeric value of x is this much. So I'm going to replace over here for x. So this is going to be equal to 1 over 2. I'm going to put down outside. And then I am going to put down 5 divided by square root of 2 plus 2, and then this square. And thus the area removed from all 4 corners is going to be equal to 4 times this whole amount times 1 over 2 times 5 divided by square root of 2 plus 2 and then square. As you can see over here, this 4 times 1 over 2 is going to give us simply 2. So I can write equals to 2 times, and here this could be written as 5 squared becomes 25 on the top divided by this whole thing, which is square root of 2 plus 2 square. And we know at the denominator, the numeric value by using calculator turns out to be 11.657. I am going to just replace that one. I can write on the top, this becomes 2 times 25 becomes 50 on the top divided by 11.657. And if you calculate this much, we are going to get 4.29. So thus the area removed from all 4 corners of the square equals to 4.29 square units. And thus the area removed in terms of the integer is going to be simply 4 square unit, and that is our answer. And here is your assignment. Can you do it on your own? You can take your time. Luckily, I have already uploaded this video as well. Please go ahead and check it out and see the correct answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.